Hey, it's me. Hour 7. Total pandemonium. Don't know what to do. We're down to our last bottle of water. We have one packet of oatmeal. The one that's left in the box that no one wants. It's usually raisins and some other brown sugar or some shit. Anyways, I don't know how we're going to withstand this storm. Snow is up to my neck. Look behind me. It's crazy. Nashville will never be the same. I don't know how we'll survive, but we will. We will overcome this, adapt to this kind of climate. I believe Obama has something to do with this. Global warming. Ever since he's been in office, it snowed in Nashville. So, I hope everyone's safe and warm. If we don't get no help soon, I'm probably going to have to eat 2 of my 3 children. So, I'll leave you with that. And then we'll go from there. Till we meet again, friends.